Elvio70, and it is at LPS Day, and we are outside with nature friends. Yay!
Yay! Yay!
Come back! Hi. Ouch. Well, that was pathetic. Randomness! Always good to have random. Sorry. Okay, so we have, who do we, oof, this is very mixed. Okay.
Oof. This is...
Sorry about the pink on the screen, right? Sorry. Anyways, so what do we have here? We have... No. Okay,
No.
so this squirrel right here is Squeak, and Squeak cannot speak, only Squeak. Right, Squeak?
Did you hear that?
It's a squeaky
It
noise!
just fell. If you
Okay.
can't hear it, then yeah, sorry.
Sorry! Anyways,
You must
Squeak
turn
is
it
not
up.
loud enough. Anyways, so, who do we have here? Ivy.
Yep, Ivy,
Yeah.
and you might notice me from those videos. Yeah, if you watch.
What videos?
Oh, whatever. Like a video. Me and Squeak. One of those videos will be coming up soon.
I doubt it. Anyways, so, everyone come down here. This is way better. Like,
It's wet, and Squeak is fluffy.
yeah, so.
It's going to get wet and soggy. My hat! I don't want to leave it here.
Yeah, great.
I'm just going to wear it.
I'm actually gonna put rocks under the camera.
I don't see any camera. Oh, yeah, there.
Yeah, you wouldn't know that it's actually recording anyways. Oh, look at it! I'm stuck in a rock. Oh, the pinkness is annoying me. Okay, so.
It's a good day for a beach day. No, it isn't. It's a
Okay,
terrible
everyone
day.
hop onto the... What? Hop onto the rock. Why do you keep on falling?
Why do I keep on falling? Because I have a hat.
Ivy, get up.
It's too heavy for me.
Ivy.
I got to sit right here.
Okay, so we... Okay, so we are going to be exploring the nature with you guys, and it's been a long time already. Anyway, so let's begin. We found the perfect spot, you guys. You saw us walking around. Okay, so it took like, I guess, an hour just to find a good spot, right? You're exaggerating. It only took 10 minutes. Really?
Probably
Anyways,
like seconds.
it
like
felt
1
like
minute.
for an hour. It took so long just looking for a spot.
It felt like a minute.
Please, this...
I don't like that.
We didn't say all of our names. We only got an Ivy. Okay, so we have...
I don't like that. I don't like
Okay,
that.
so we got Squeak, Ivy. Who are you? I know your name, but I'm just saying this for the video.
Maple leaf.
Okay.
Actually, oak leaf.
How can you What?
Nacho.
Nacho? What? The name's Nutty. Like naughty. Anyways, I'm gonna go find some wood. I found some wood. I found wood!
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and get some buggies from there.
Actually, my name
Nutty.
is Maple.
Stop changing our name!
This is going to be maple.
No.
Yeah?
Anyways, she keeps on changing her name. It's really random. Anyways,
No.
so we'll just call her Maple. Blah, 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 blah. Anyways, so
No,
Maple.
just call me Maple.
Fine. And then I am a Woody. No, you are not. Fine. Her name is Alex. So, just for your information, encore! Okay, so we're done with that. Little laying down, relaxing, right? Right? Am I right? Anyways, so we have found another exploring area for you guys. And there's a bunch of lumber over there. Lumber.
Lumber, lumber, I am a lumber.
That's a bit creepy. Anyways, so this is a very beautiful place. Not as beautiful as a tree site. Okay, maybe not as beautiful as that, but okay. Spaghetti pan!
Spaghetti pan.
Spaghetti, spaghetti,
You took
spaghetti.
my hat. Ugh.
That was epic. We should put that in the LPS news. I'm going. Come back. You are not going because you are a squirrel and squirrels don't know how to write. And second of all, there is no LPS news. Ah!
Hey, why'd you do
Hold on.
that? You're dumb.
No one's dumb. Anyways, so as we were saying, this video is not so. That was the wrong side. This side. Mwah, I'll poke you.
Mwah. You hear me? Mwah.
I made it. Ouch. Anyways, so we are going to go ahead and do something random. I think we'll go ahead and show you the lumber. Don't you think?
What is lumber?
It's another way of saying wood. Cut wood.
Squeak it up. Get back over here.
Squeak! Squeak to me! Ah! That was pathetic. Here you go. You are going to be covered in leaves. Ugh. Squeak! Naughty squeak. Okay, I think we'll have enough epicness for now. I think we'll go to the wood or lumber just now. Lumber. Almost there. Stop pulling me. Sorry. Anyway, so this is all the lumber. I think it's pretty cool. Anyways, there were workers here, and they were just like,
That's funny how you. Where's it? Oh.
It's right here, right here, right here.
It was funny how you said that.
And they just cut down like a bunch of trees. Let me count. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, they cut down 3 trees, 2 big trees, and 1 like medium tree. And it was just like sad to see. Oh, and they also cut down a cherry tree. I forgot. So they
Go evil.
yeah, all the trees weren't going to die except the one of them, because one of them had woodpeckers living in there. Yeah, like me. Anyways,
Did you know that rainforests are important?
yeah, don't stop cutting down trees. You know, here's a fact. 2 facts. In fact, get it? Get it? Okay, so, rainforests are really important because they provide oxygen for us. Without rainforests, we don't have oxygen. And also, 30 acres of trees in the rainforest are being cut down every minute. Stop
Yep.
it. Maple. Maple!
Oh.
Thank you. Anyways, so this is all the lumber. There's more back here.
More. Hey, and there's more over there. There's 3 lumbers. That one,
3
that.
lumber piles. So there's this ginormous one.
No, 4. Do you
Wait,
see
hold
over
on.
there,
Move,
that
guys. This ginormous lumber pile is even bigger than the screen. Here's this tiny one. It's not very big, but okay. This is like the one that's just like branches, I guess. This one's like the trunk, I guess. Ah! Okay,
one? No, but that.
moving on.
There's actually 3. What about over there?
4, you mean?
I mean 4.
Okay, so
There's
there's this one. This one's like the base of branches, I guess. I mean, it's pretty big. Go, moving on.
Wait, there's a little bit over there. But still lumber, I guess.
There's more over there. How many piles are there?
I think
1,
like
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. 6 piles. That's insane.
they want us to like go to a different planet.
Yeah, because with soon this will happen. I bet. Not soon. Just like in the planet, sometime all the trees are going to be cut down, and there will be no oxygen. Trees provide oxygen for us, so we have to make sure trees are like still growing. So if you want to help out, then here's a suggestion. Get some tree seeds and plant them, and plant a lot for our world, and you'll make a big difference. Even if you might be popular or anything, you still make a difference in like part of the world. So
Yeah, and then if you have to go to a different,
why are we talking about trees? Let's go see this lumber.
like, what if we have to go to a different planet? What planet do we have to go to?
There's this planet that their scientists are thinking of, but they still have to figure out a way to bring oxygen down. Alright, so here's another pile of lumber. There's another pile. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Ow! Sorry. Okay, another piece of lumber.
And what other planet would we have to go to? Pluto or something? I heard
Pluto! I don't think Pluto is even a planet.
It used to be, but I heard that it exploded.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, this is very impressive. Anyways, I guess you are smarter than me. I can prove that. Okay, more lumber. Focus. It's not focusing. There we go. That's a
Can I go stand on some of the lumber?
Sure, hold on. Anyways, that's a lot of lumber, you guys. So don't be one of those people who cut down trees. I mean, maybe they cut down trees for a reason, but we don't know. Anyways,
Yeah.
we're going and...
What?
Squeak fell? Okay, let's just go. I thought there was like a fire. Anyways, moving on. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this nature video, and catch us next time on Monday for Nature Experience with Nutty. Stop it. Anyways, you heard her name and she forgot it. That is pathetic. Squeak, was Maple, and Ivy. And we will see you all on next Monday. Bye!